So this is the part 2 of the chick plushie video. So we are going to stuff it with some kind of stuffing. Let me go get it. By the way, you can also use any piece of foam for the filling inside. Whoops, I said filling, I meant stuffing. Now we just tape the rest of the character. Then we add the little thing on top. I'll show you how to put the thing in a second, but first I'll just tape it. I had to make another one of those things that you put on top because I lost the first one. So I taped the chick plushie. So now we're going to add the tiny bit on top. So I have this tiny bit of tape, tiny tape thing. If you don't have that, you can use regular tape, sure. But or you could also use glue. But I have this, so I'm gonna use this. So I stuck this piece of tape right here. So then we're going to just stick it on to our characters, just like that. Now this is kind of hard only with one hand. I'm still holding the camera with my own hand. I need to get a tripod. Wow. If this white thing bothers you, you can of course cover it with another piece of tape paper so it's more like a yellow color. It doesn't really bother me. I could do that to make it look better, but it's a nice little paper squishy. It's really fun. So that's it. Bye.